Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of editing the captions text color on Facebook using your PC. This simple step-by-step guide will help you customize your captions to suit your style. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu, and then click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. From this menu, click on Media. This section allows you to adjust settings related to videos and captions. Once you're in the media settings, locate the option labeled Captions Display. To the right of it, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll find an option called Text Color. Click on it to open a palette of colors. Choose your desired color for the caption text by simply clicking on it. Finally, after selecting your preferred text color, make sure to click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully customized the captions text color on Facebook. Feel free to experiment with different colors to find what works best for you. Customizing captions is a great way to enhance your viewing experience and make videos more visually appealing. Thank you for following along with this tutorial.